How to send a gift on eBay 2025 step by step. Sending a gift on eBay in 2025 is surprisingly straightforward, but most people get it wrong and end up revealing the price to the recipient or shipping incorrectly. Here's how to do it right. Step 1. Find the item you want to send and check if the seller offers gift options for shipping to your recipient's address. Some sellers don't allow gifting, so this is crucial. Step 2. Add the item to your cart and proceeds to checkout. Enter the recipient's shipping information, making sure it's accurate. eBay will sometimes let you choose an alternative shipping address from your account if needed. Step 3. Select this as a gift if the option appears. You can add a gift message and choose gift wrapping if the seller provides it. You won't believe what happens next. Selecting gift packaging ensures the package doesn't show the price, keeping it a surprise. Step 4. Complete payment. eBay accepts multiple payment methods, and the seller will ship directly to the recipient. You can track the shipment through eBay and receive updates. Step 5. Optional. Send a note or notification to the recipient letting them know a gift is on the way without revealing the details. The surprising truth is that while eBay wasn't originally designed for gifting, following these steps ensures your gift arrives discreetly, securely, and without confusion.